You're watching Good Morning Washington.
All right, welcome back. Christina Daves is here with us with a vision for how Appetizer should look for the big game.
Welcome back to Good Morning Washington. Okay, so this whole creation is about to transform into the big game stadium Appetizer. How did you even come up with this?
I just do a lot of stuff online and saw it and was like, this is brilliant. So this is your field. And I just have lettuce in here. Just do an appetizer that's topped with guacamole or lettuce so it looks like a field.
Need the green.
And then here, you each can do an end zone.
Okay.
So just line it up like that in the end
just with
zone.
cheese?
Yeah, just you can dump it and just kind of go like that because that's going to look like an end zone.
Oh, I got you for different colors.
Right.
Okay, my end zone's better than yours.
You're making a mess.
Yours is
already.
a mess.
I know, hold on, I'm cleaning up. What happens next?
We can clean it later. This is a party.
Okay, so here's a little trick. Get the squeezed sour cream, and instead of opening it all the way, you're just going to just poke a hole in it. Poke a hole, and then you can squeeze the yard lines. Down like that.
There
And
we go.
if you have a dip in, you can use olives for football players. You can line them up.
Okay, get a little olive Saquon.
Now we're going to start building. So you're going to build around.
Oh, we're doing the whole stadium.
Oh, we're doing the whole thing.
I want to be in the VIP section. Where's that?
Okay, we'll get to that'll be the dessert section here. Okay, so we can put over there. Let's do veggies.
Okay.
So fill your stands up, and all these are, you guys, are makeup.
Wait, am I pouring
organizers.
these in here or am I just setting them in there?
I think I have these for my makeup brushes.
Yes.
I didn't think to do like something fun like this with it.
And you can go to a dollar store. You can. These should not be
I
expensive.
know I'm pouring everything on the
Brian.
floor. I'm a mess. Sorry, I'm not as.
Keep you out
I'm
the
reaching
kitchen.
far.
Okay, and then put some celery in. So we've got. So I've got veggies on one side.
Okay.
All right, we'll get this stuff out of the way.
Okay.
All right. Then we'll do chips on one side.
You got the healthy
Can't
side.
forget the celebrity sweets.
Oh, so this side
No,
is
that's dessert. We're going to do that at the end. So here you go. You guys can do some chips.
okay.
Okay.
So you're going to fill one side with chips.
Oh, Ruffles got ridges. Okay.
Oh, I love these chips because then it's easy to pick up that dip.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
you need a little more
I'm going to help you here.
Thank you.
Okay. So you're gonna, and you can do whatever you want. We've got some popcorn.
Oh wow.
Whatever you. It's just you just want one place for your guests to go.
You need another flavor over here, Britt. What's going on? We got
Okay.
two
Oh,
on.
I see some
There's
Fritos.
Oh, and we just broke something.
Well, like, this is not a party unless you have a party foul.
Yeah,
so
there
there's a
you go.
flag on the play, and we keep going.
Okay.
Okay, and now we've got dessert.
Okay. Look at that.
That's one of my favorite parts of
So
dessert,
look,
too.
you can see how cool this is. Okay, so there's our dessert.
Okay.
So
That's where we bring these cookies in a plate.
yeah.
Okay.
So here we'll do these, Brian.
Okay. What do we got?
We got a little trail mix. We've got some mint pretzels.
How many people does this serve? I feel
you
like
don't need
everybody's
anything.
eating.
Yeah, you don't need anything else. This is your, so do all your favorites.
Okay.
And then what we're gonna do, we need other dips.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Dip.
So Britt, you've got bowls down there.
Okay.
And we've got queso, we've got salsa,
so we got
we've got onion
Ooh,
dip,
even
and we've got
hummus.
hummus.
Okay.
And what I do with those is I make them look like the entrance gates.
Oh,
So
okay.
we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, so they're coming through the tunnel. This is the hummus tunnel down here.
Dun, 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 dun.
I don't think we're supposed to sing that on TV. This is for when we're listening to Kendrick at halftime. That's when I'm going to get all my dips in.
There you go. But this is all you need to serve. We could do some onion on the other side.
Come on now.
And then
This
we
is great.
squeeze it in, make it all
I
look
love French
pretty.
onion.
And there is your full setup for the big game.
Just notice my side full. Britt's side is like half full over here. I want to eat on this
You
side.
broke
is
that
full,
glass
but-
behind you, so...
On the other side. We made a mess with yours.
So, I mean, this looks great. I feel like it'd be hard to find these things, but
yummy.
you're telling me these are simple little things you can pick
makeup
up at.
organizers, any dollar store, online, big box, and look. Oh yeah, that we forgot the finishing touches.
We got to put in the goalposts. Hello.
Thank you.
Boom.
How does that go?
Yeah.
Oh.
Right, this is the end of the field, right?
That's the end. We're on a tablecloth.
No?
You know what? There you
What
go.
if you suction it to the bowl? So, and then you just. What's the
I
best?
didn't have the liner last year.
Is there like an etiquette when you? I mean, obviously no double dipping. Anything else we need to know?
When you have dips, you leave the spoon in.
Yes.
You take some
Put
dip,
plates.
put it on your
Put some
plate.
plates
Don't
next.
go straight in.
Oh.
Even though, I mean, if you're with family.
Then it's okay.
Well, your friends
Yeah.
are family.
My germs are
And
my mom's germs.
After a couple cocktails, nobody's
know.
going to care
one's
anyway.
gonna care.
But you feed the entire party with one beautiful setup.
And it could be anything in the middle, like you said. If I had like my hot buffalo chicken dip or something, I'd
Yeah.
put that in the middle and even put a little green on top.
I like a little
avocado or
green on top.
something.
Avocados, I do.
Yeah, a little
Yep,
avocado or something on top just to kind of like give you that illusion. I love the lines.
If we made it nice, how long should we set aside to make this? How much time should this take?
I had everything pre-cut the day before.
yeah.
So pre-cut all your veggies, do everything. The actual setup is maybe 15 or 20 minutes.
Okay.
But you want to be prepared. You know all the dips that you need. If you're going to pre-make your onion dip, if you're going to do a homemade versus a store-bought, make that the night before so it all soaks in, settles in, and gets really yummy.
I mean, even just the cute little
Yeah.
yard lines here. I mean, just simple things you can just pick up. I think the key a lot of times is when you're just out and about doing other things, when you see things, you just grab them instead of waiting for like the day before. Right?
Yeah, and I just told you all, my daughter was shopping and she's having a party. She knew I was and got this. That's why I didn't know those weren't going to stick, because they stick on this.
Right. Oh my gosh.
They're staying up just fine now. Thank you
This is
so
good.
much. Where do
Yeah.
people get in touch with you for more of these creative ideas?
Yeah, ChristinaDaves.com.
Awesome.
Man, now I just have to figure out which dip I want to go for first.
I know, right? Queso's
Calling-
my
I'm
favorite.
calling dibs on the queso. For
Yeah,
sure.
white queso, my favorite.
Stick with us. We're so excited for the big game. But first, Good Morning Washington continues after today's America's Steals and Deals.